Silver Fox RC. You might have seen the other videos on this FG race truck of me doing this up, stripping it down, putting it back together. That's all gone smoothly. I want to speed test it now, so I'm going to I found a strip of road that's block paved, which isn't too busy, so I'm going to try and speed test it on there. I'm going to put the GoPro on there with a GPS. I don't really want to stick it on the body shell because it's externally painted, not internally, if that makes sense. So I don't know how I'm going to do it. I might screw it, I don't know, I might stick it and then repair the spray, I don't know. That's what we're going to do today. I did have a bit of trouble with the handling because they're rear wheel drive. It was just spinning up, so I've changed, put the toes in on the front wheels and the camber, put the toe out on the front wheels and the camber in on the back wheels to try and get a little bit more traction, and it has worked. I've tried it, but I just want to speed test it now, so I'm going to take the shell off, put full tank of petrol in it, check it over, try and get a good position for that so I can at least maybe get some video footage as well as the speed on it. And yeah, we'll see what the old engine can do. It's a 23cc engine, Zenoa. Seems to have a bit of balls to it, so we'll just have to see what I can actually get out of it. The road's reasonably narrow, so if it does spin out a little bit, I might come back with either a speed test or a race truck in 3 parts. We will see. So after a little bit of a closer inspection on one of the rear tyres, we seem to have a little split. So I've just rung up the local model shop, see if they've got a set of tyres. They're not going to be slicks like these, but they're just having a look for me. If they do have them, then we'll take her out. We still might take it out, but I don't know how long that might last till that blows off anyway, so we'll see.